Sometimes people ask me to vlog because they think that because I live in New York, that means I have an interesting life, and I'm here to prove to you today that that is a lie. Today, it is currently noon. I'm going to buy Chloe with my friend Dominic because we are trying their new vegan chicken, and I don't know what I'm doing after that. How are we feeling?
I'm feeling like this is a ripoff. I'm very upset. The lighting is probably making my nose look crazy. But yeah, we're here to mukbang this for you guys. So immediately you open it up and you're like, this does look nothing like chicken. Impossible Burger Who. I'm going to Burger King after this. Here we're gonna try the vegan barbecue sauce.
I know, you don't just put a drop on that.
Like all things by Chloe. It looks decent. It tastes bland. It's obviously owned by a white woman named Chloe. There's no seasoning in this, and it tastes like chickpeas. So you're better off going to grab yourself a Whopper burger at Burger King, or going to your local organic grocery store and getting yourself an Impossible Burger.
Burger King has the Impossible Burger.
Or that. I'm just dog shopping. Okay, shall we go to Spectrum?
Yeah. Wait, this lighting is so good. Just at the depressing ass dog store where it smells like death because we wanted to look at puppies, but they're all unhealthy because it's a puppy mill store. What's the review, Donnie?
This is terrible. I'm really upset that I paid that.
Okay, I'm back home. It's literally only 5:30 and it's already pitch black outside. Dominic is gone, so sorry. I'm sure he's been the star of this video so far because he has way more of a personality than I do. But anyways, I have some mail here. My parents sent me some things and I ordered some things online, so I thought we would do a cute little unboxing. Let's see. This is from my parents. I have literally no clue what this is. Genius. They sent me my junk mail that got sent home. Alright, this is like an actual present from my dad, I think. He told me he was sending me something. What is this? It's a sloth calendar. I love sloths, if you didn't know. I used to watch those like sloth sanctuary videos all the time with like the baby sloths, and they were the ones that like had pajamas because they had a little skin condition and they had to like have the little pajamas to hold their like salve in, and the little noise that they make is so cute. I really want to go to Costa Rica to visit the sloths. This is so cute. Thanks, Dad. I will maybe I can put this next to my Vampire Diaries posters because that's cute, right? Just have all my nerdy stuff all together. And it has all the little sloth poses on the back. Which one am I? I'm definitely this one that's like lying on its back. That's me. That's the only yoga pose I can do. And I know what the rest of this is because I ordered it. But we'll still do a cute little unboxing moment. This is my moisturizer that I love. And normally I can get it on Amazon, but they were out of stock, so I ordered it directly from the store. It's from Ceremetics. It's like a vegan, cruelty-free alternative to CeraVe. It's not exactly the same texture, but I do really like it. This is by the brand Earth Science. And last thing from Elf herself. I'm really excited about this actually. Okay, this is a fluffy eye brush. This is like the most boring thing in here, and it was packaged in this giant cardboard thing for like no reason. so wasteful. And I got their little bite-sized eyeshadow palette thingies. I wouldn't even call these a palette. These are so tiny. Like, this is next to my phone. Super tiny. They really are bite-sized. I'm not gonna like open these or anything because I'm definitely gonna be doing a video with them. Super excited to try these out. I got, this is the one that I normally get, but I got their Luxe Lash Kit. I love their lashes. They're like, they feel a little more luxurious than like fake lashes that I normally buy. Yeah, I think I normally get a different one. These look really short. I have to get them at Target because I can actually see which ones I get. I restocked my brow pencil because I love their brow pencil. And I'm super excited about these as well. I got their liquid glitter eyeshadows. I got these shade Flirty Birdie and Disco Queen. Disco Queen looks a little lighter than it looked online, but I'm definitely gonna like, I think I'm gonna try these out like in conjunction with the little bite-sized eyeshadows. And then I also got free gifts with this order because e.l.f. loves to give you free gifts. This is their Velvet Matte Lipstick in Berry Bordeaux, and this little matte blush duo, which I'm actually pretty excited about because I love e.l.f.'s blush formula. I feel like that's a pretty good free gift. This is like apricot-y. The lighting is so bad. So yeah, that was my unboxing. I do a lot more online shopping than I should because there's just a lot of stuff that like I can't just like walk into a Walmart, and even like my Target isn't like a normal full-size Target, so there's just like a lot that I can't get here. Anyways, I severely need to film a video because I haven't posted in a week. So I'm gonna do that, but I'm also really tired, so I'm gonna finish my iced coffee that I have left from this morning first. That definitely just happened. I only half cleaned my room because I decided that I don't want to keep doing that. But I'm tired now, so I'm probably going to shower, eat some broccoli, and drink some sparkling water, and then play The Sims, and then go to bed. So this was one of the more interesting days that I have had in a while, because I actually went out and did stuff, and it was still pretty boring. So I hope you enjoyed seeing that living here is not actually that glamorous all the time. If you want to see more vlogs, I don't know why you would, but I can totally make more. They'll get really repetitive really quickly. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to have you subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.